Hello, lovelies. Welcome to F Varieties, Health Paradise through Organic Foods. It's your little boy, Marcus P. And today I'll be sharing with you how to prepare a home remedy for hiccups.
Hiccups? What is hiccup? Alright, so hiccups are the involuntary contradictions of the diaphragm. When the muscle separates your chest from your abdomen and plays an important role. So when that happens, we call it hiccup. Good, so let's go.
And I'm going to use warm water and honey. So water is life, and 70% of our system is made up of water. So when you don't have water in your system, you become weak and dehydrated.
Alright, so what about honey? Can you tell us the benefits of honey?
It helps digestive issues and treats sore throats.
And coffee with children. Alright, so let's see you do that remedy for us. So is that your honey?
Yes.
Alright. So you need about how many teaspoons?
2.
Alright. 1, 2. So what is that? Is it cold water?
No, warm water.
Alright.
And I'm going to mix it very well. So I have finished with my home remedy. So please, if someone is suffering from hip cough, just give the person this, and he or she will be alright.
Alright, then I'm suffering from hip cough. Can I take it?
Yes.
Let me taste it and see how it is. I remembered one night when my husband was having this hiccup. He said he drank water the whole day at office. He came home and still doing it. I just got into the kitchen, did this, gave it to daddy, and wow, he was surprised. What did you do? So it's good. Let's do this when we have the attack.
Thank me later. Please do all to subscribe to our channel Varieties. So I'm continuing by preparing my energy drink using sugar, salt, water, and lemon.
Okay.
So these are all the ingredients I need to use. And so the lemon, its benefits are it helps in weight loss. It improves skin quality. It improves digestion too.
And what are you doing?
I'm squeezing the water from it so I can get my cheese.
Alright.
And I'm going to use 500 ml water. And I'm going to add a sugar to it. And some little salt. This is what you drink when you are feeling very weak.
So do you drink half?
No, all.
Everything
Yes.
at a go?
Yes.
After drinking, what happens?
You just be alright.
Alright. Alright. So it means I wouldn't buy any energy drink from outside All I need is this.
Yes.
Drink all at a go, and you have your energy back.
So this is the Hiccups drink, and this is the energy drink. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel F Varieties, Health Paradise through Organic Foods. See you next time, and please do all to subscribe. Okay, my greetings to my brothers and sisters. Bye. Love you.